We're going to show you how to do a two-sided copy using the HP Inktank Wireless 415 printer. So this is our document that we want to copy. It is printed on both sides with the words copy test page 1 and page 2. Let us place this into the scanner. Align it to the lower right hand corner. Next, we need to press on the color copy button. Press once for one copy. So it is in this orientation for page 1. You need to put it back into the input tray. Here's how. You need to rotate it and put it back in this way. Next, let us flip the page to page 2. And then we press the color copy button once. So this is the copied document, page 1 and page 2. And we have the original on my left hand side, and this is the copy. Likewise, the original on my left hand side, and this is the copy. So this is how you copy a two-sided document on the HP Inktank Wireless 415 printer.